Okay, so here I have my lashes. Yeah, bare face. Got my glue, weed glue. Yep, you can use any glue. And you got your lashes, Family Dollar lashes, dollar lashes. I got mine. Now I can't find my tweezers. I don't know where they went. I think somebody stole them. I don't know. So I had got an idea. This is my idea. Use hair clips. Yeah, use hair clips. So right here, I am gonna take off my lashes on the freaking lash bowl or whatever you want to call it, lash strip. I'm gonna put my glue on the lash strip. Okay, had to get some old glue off of it. Yeah, that a little bit nasty. I had to clean that up. So I'm putting the glue on the lashes here, and that it is empty a little bit, so I had to shake it. Yep. Very, very patient. It calls for patience here. Yes, very. So as I'm doing that, I'm still looking for my tweezers. I don't even know where the hell is it. Like, what the hell? I think somebody stole my stuff for real. Like, seriously. It's ridiculous. So now I got the glue on the strip. As you can see, I have to put it on my lashes, and I really don't know how to put my lashes on with, my finger. I don't know how to do that. So here I'm using a hair clip. You can get these at your local beauty supply store, Family Dollar. You can get it from anywhere, okay? So I'm just gonna put these lashes on, okay? And this is just like the cheapest thing I could find that was close to a tweezer. It was hard at first, but you gotta be patient with it. It's just like you gotta use them just like tweezers, okay? They were a little bit hard, just a little bit, okay? But it did the job. It definitely did the job. Now the beauty supply, it was closed, okay? So I waited too long to get some, and I really wanted to have my lashes done, for a video. So I had to figure it out. I didn't want to wait to do a video. So this is what I came up with. And it worked. Look at them. Boom. Bam. 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 All you gotta do is just push them up with your hand. Okay. And boom. You got a lash. And just clean up, the glue that, that's dripping. Clean that up a little bit. Okay. Boom. They cute or whatever, right? Right? So you just fan them once you're done, okay? Up close and personal. Yes. Real cute, right? It'll do the job for real. Thanks guys for watching this video. Come back soon. Bye guys.